Hi everyone, Damien here to talk to you about a very important topic. Automotive round radial rubber rings. Tires, if you will. Come to Lincoln Township Motors and take advantage of our spring tire sale and a rebate program. With any purchase of a new set of tires, you could be eligible up to cash back up to $120. We have tires of all shapes and sizes. We have round. Guess that's really the only shape we have. If you have a brand preference, we've got you covered. We carry all brands of all seasons, summer, and performance tires. If you like Michelin's, we got them. BF Goodrich, got them. Whatever the brand, we have them. We get it. People like what they like, just like me. I like my showers cold, my ice cream hot. It's springtime and it's trailer season. If you're looking for truck or trailer tires, look no further. During our spring tire sale, if you order any Michelin, BF Goodrich, or Uniroyal tires, you will receive an additional 20% off installation. If you're tired of winter tires taking up space in your garage, we can help with that too with our on-site storage. And you will receive 50% off tire storage with the purchase of any new set of tires.
Wow.
So come on down to Lincoln Township Motors, 4735 King Street East in Beamsville. Let us help find you the perfect automotive round radial rubber rings. It's just fun to say. You shouldn't have an issue finding us. Oh wait, just thought of another shape of tire. Round. Nope, already said that one. Damn it!